What's going on, guys? I'm Taylor from Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK555 ELE Auto-TK. This is going to be our brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with self-adjusting brakes and Timken bearings. This is going to be for the 5 on 5.5 bolt circle. See right here, this box you get it in. We got our nice logo on it. We got two smaller boxes down in here. Make sure everything holds together while it gets to you. Then we got our smaller boxes here. We can see right here we got our true ride hub and drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs. And how we measure these is stud to next closest stud, center to center, and that's going to be 3 1/4. You can see right here we got the races pressed in on both sides. We have our self-adjusting backing plate here. Got the magnet already installed in it. These are true ride inspected. They are ready to go. Just bolt them on, plug them up, good to go. We got our true ride sticker down in here. That'll also tell you left hand, right hand. Then we have this cord right here, and that's going to show you that it's the self-adjusting. And how these work is as you use these brake pads, they'll automatically self-adjust out so that they keep the same distance from the brake drum. Then we got our small parts here. We got our other hook drum and our other backing plate. So with this kit you're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. And we're going to get our inner and outer bearings, one for each side. This is going to be our outer bearing. This is the L44649. It's just going to pop in right there. And this will be our inner bearing. This is going to be the L68149. This is just going to pop in right there. These are the Timken bearings. They are stamped Timken on there. These are made in the US. And we're going to get our seals. We're going to get one for each side. These are just going to pop in right here after you put your bearings in. Then we have our oil caps, grease caps. You'll see this one's got a hole in it and this one's solid. This is for your easy lube spindles. This is for just your regular spindles. Your easy lube spindles are going to come with the rubber plug and your tang washer, and these tang washers do replace the cotter pins. The regular spindles are going to come with just your regular spindle washers. Then we have our mounting hardware. So we're going to get 8 nuts and 8 washers. So we're just going to pop these onto the axle plate. Pop the washers on, and then pop our nut on. We are good to go. We're going to get 10 lug nuts, and we're going to get 2 castle nuts and 2 cotter pins. And the reason we send you the cotter pins is we like to make sure you get everything you got. Not a lot of guys will send these out. So you'll just slip your castle nut onto your spindle, slip your cotter pin right through just like that, hold it on there nice and neat. Pretty simple stuff, guys. Thanks for watching. That was the BK555 ELE Auto-TK.